Sanibonani, beautiful people. Ulindwe Mdlalose okhulumayo. Ulindwe Mdlalose washushumbisa ama-drugs. Waboshwa 2012 e-Argentina. Well, the reason why ngiyixoxa-ke le ndaba, taking you from step by step ku part 1 and part 2. Last time I spoke about ukuthi ngiqale kanjani ukungena ezweni lokushushumbisa ama-drugs. That was part 1. Nganthatha futhi nganifaka ku part 2 nginixoxela ukuthi bokungekho lula ukutravela kwami. Even the first attempt engiyitryile ukutravela ngacisha ukuboshwa eBrazil. Today I am going to share about ijourney yami yokuya eIndia. India nayo angifuni ukungasho kwanqaba umusa because ukuya kwami eIndia nakhona. Hayike lapho ngacisha ukubona ukuthi kahle vele sesifikile leso sikhathi sokuthi ngiyoboshwa because into ebengiyenza ngaso sonke isikhathi uma ngitravela ngiya kuwo wonke lamazwe engiwahambile bengigugulisha about amajele wakhona because I knew ukuthi lento engiyenzayo kungaba mnandi ngiyenza imali kubukeke ngathi konke kuhamba kahle kepha likhona lelo langa ebengilazi ukuthi lizongithatha lingilahlele phakathi ejele. I remember it was 2011. Well, mina ke mangishushumbisa ama-drugs bengisebenzela like umuntu oyi-1. This particular person mangithi umuntu oyi-1 yena bekana ama-partners asebenza nawo. But I was just working for leyo boss A1. So, and they were recommending me kakhulu ukuthi no, she's a good girl. Masimhambise endaweni uyadeliver, yabona. Noma ngifika kuleyo country engiswa kuyo, labe ngiyofikela kubo, they would say good things about me. So, I remember it was 2011. If I'm not mistaken, it was around April, if I remember very well. I received a call from my boss. Boss ke athi Lindiwe, are you available? Ngifuna ukukubona mele sizoxoxisana. So always mangitholi i-call yakhe I knew ukuthi okay shuthi khona la ngimele ngiye khona and now ufuna ukuba nesiqiniseko ukuthi le country ngithumela kuyona ngizokhona ukuya because bekangangifosti. I wouldn't even talk bad about this guys bengibasebenzela. Particularly, let me talk about the boss because lababanye ngabamita the first day ngiyomita uboss, but in most cases mangiyohlangana nabo bebangasekho bengimita this particular boss guy yami. So ngithi hi, I'm available sir. Athi okay, can you come tomorrow? Ngithi yes. Hayi ngiyeke sohlangana ke naye uboss wami. Athi no, this time around Lindiwe ngicela ukuthi usitravelele usiyele India. Uthe makathi kimi India, I'm like, India? Yo. Yabona kwavuka into eyiningi kimi ukuthi India, really India? First thing makathi India kimi ngathi oh no, I really need to Google because mina in most cases mangitravelisha, I would always Google. Ngifuna ukubona ijele lase Brazil linjani. Ngiziprepare because I knew ukuthi lokho engikwenzayo kungaba mnandi ngidla imali but ekugcineni ngizozithola ngisejele. So athi kimi Lindiwe, can you go? Ngithi mina I don't have a problem say I will go but ke ngicela ukwazi ukuthi nini ngikwazi ukuziprepare. Athi njoba sikhuluma kule viki most definitely next week uzohamba. Hayi ke nangempela ke ezinjwayelo bayenza ama preparations for mina ukuthi ngihambe nani. Immediately when I go back home ngagugulisha the jail yase India. Wow. I don't wanna lie. Yabona babathi sibindi uyaphilisa sibindi uyabulala. Hayi mamdlalo sebeka nesibindi. Ijelela lapha yana I just said to myself, yabona mangaboshwa la bengizofa. I was not going to be able to, to stand that place because it was very bad. Lapha ya ijele lamampela. Even it's dark man. Hey, akhambi kahle uyafila na ukuthi yabona la. It's more like ukufa kwami ngathi i-vibe nyana yamathuna it was very bad. So because of bese ngingenwe into yokuthanda imali maye kunebungozi emntwini oseka addicted entweni yani yemali because makuthiwa noma kuthiwa uyaphila uyakhona kuyofiwa you don't care all you think about wena yile offer oyifunayo. Well, ahambeka amalanga. But like I'm disturbed, man. Kule viki ukuthi no, man. What if mangiya lapha ngibuyilela jele? Akumagundwane nyaka man. Uyabona angizwana magundane. Uyabona ukuthi ziyabuya lapha. Uyabona ukuthi lapha even nokudla. I think mhlawumbe udla kayi1 nakhona uzodla leyo 2 sla. I-wrong indawo. But because umamdlalosi sekazwe lempilo yokuba nemali. Well, lifika ilanga lokuthi ngihambe nge-India. Angempela e-airport, mithwalo yami ngene. As usual, ngihambela phezulu. I was told ukuthi akufuneki ngitatazele la. Hambe, mangifike e-India, bangilindile. Hayibo, i-India guyzini, lalela. Isiphithiphithi siminyaminya. Yabona ukufika kwami lapha ngabona ukuthi yabona mangizosurvive la. Mabasho mabathi hayi i-general because besihlonishwa. Enye into ebulala umuntu ilama status ukuhlonipheka. Ubizwe kuthiwe general isikhokho yini. Kunama language wakhona esibizana ngawo ukuthi hayi mawukwazi ukuya endaweni esoma ubuya uyazi ukuthi hayi la uhamba khona kuthiwa you know. So ngazitshela nami ukuthi yabona mawuzoyiphasa le hayi girl so general serious isiphithiphithi ngithi imoto estradini akuna direction ukuthi njengathi ukuthi uma ngapha ku left lane right no ziyakhala lapha. I was so traumatized myself. Ngasho ngathi buza ukuthi ngizophila kanjani. Hayi ngiyakubona kweyimoto i-heat wave. Hey. Yabona ngithema ngifika ngacabanga futhi ngathi lela jele engilibonile masila ngizofa la because ukushisa isiphithiphithi ngathi but okusalayo le ekuthiwe ngizoyilanda mawukuthi uThixo sekathi vele kumele kube njalo because ngifuna ukukutshela bese siphila impilo mabathi amadela kufa bazongi-understand. So sign i-contract, you are into this thing, usuzitshelile nawe ukuthi hayi akwenzeke okwenzakalayo. Well, ngihlale ngifike ke bangisehotela. Hayi uzohamba uye emamola khona amamola sharp. Ngene usithenga ube muhle wenzeni. But I was so disturbed ukuthi madoda. No. Lempile la inqake kwamina. What about lela jele engilibonile? Makungabed I don't wanna lie, I was so disturbed. Ngalendlela yokuthi I was not really yazi I'm doing this beautiful people ukuthi ngiyibonise lento ukuthi it doesn't look glamorous. Masiyikhuluma lento it isn't. Nawe bhutwami nawe siswami nawe mntwana othi mhlambe bongifollowisha before uthe usisilindwe hayi man ngathi lento le no. Akukho lula. You must have a lever. And mele uzitshela ukuthi shukuthi wena udela ngomndeni wakho udela ngabantu obathandayo. Because lamazwe siwahambayo are very dangerous. It was only the grace of God ukuthi sisahleli kanje thina olindiwe sisayixoxa le ndaba. So ngihlaleke lelo viki liphele. Malizophela kanjalo as usual mangizohamba ngakusasa bafike eroomini balethe the luggage. Now babafika with this luggage. It was a very big bag, man. The bag ilama bag anama zip. Very big. It was big. Ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi iyasindi heavy. Mabafika that is back to me bathi ma'am this is luggage ozobuyela nayo emuva. Lapha kaQwele luggage kugcwele amasuit wabo baba. Istory ukuthi wena une boutique uthengisa amasuit eSouth Africa. Lalela beyisinda le nto. So kulama suit bafakile into zakhona bastaffile bayenza yonke into. Bathe mabayishiya le bag ngathi yabona le ngiyayibona le yamateki. Ngiyayibona yamateki nayo ikhe yanginikeza i-stress nyana but eyase India ngisho ngithi kwanqaba umusa because nami ngithema ngena kulela lizwe ngafila ukuthi hayi la lindiwe uyophuma makuthi vele uNkulunkulu ukuvumile uyophuma makuthi vele isikhathi sakho sokuthi uboshwa sikafiki because bokuhlangahlangene asha amandebele athi kucharagene hayi bokucharagenile kuyenye into. So ngenjwayelo makufika le nto mabazilethile akulaleki uzolala kanjani uvalo because now it's a reality. Kusasa mele uvuka uphethe le bag engaka ungene e-airport. But engikhohle ukukumention one thing about into engayithanda about Indians. Ukufika kwami e-airport ukunyathela. Yabona uBaba Mandela into asinikeza yona thina ama-South Africans. Siya-respecta wherever we go. One thing engayibona eyanginikeza into yokuthi, you know what, for as long as they still respect me for the fact yokuthi ngibuye South Africa, no, I am going to maneuver le ndlela. Because ngithe mangena bababona i-passport babona South African, they were bowing like that, but look, bathi Mandela la undlula khona Mandela, and with a smile. And I won't talk better of Indians. They're so lovely. When you go to their country, when you get to experience them, you sit down with them, abantu. They are very friendly. So ngabamba le nto ukuthi hey ngithe mangene e-airport ya ngazizwa nami ukuthi sekungena i-princess ngathi shuthi izongisebenzela. Ngikhuleka ubusuku ke bonke ngithi Jehova ayindaba yebheki. Ayisindi ibheki, angifuni ukukutshela amanye ibheki ayisindi nomhlolo. Thandaza kulaleki vele obvious. Ubuthongo ngibuthola ngiyidatha, ngithola ubuthongo nyani ukuthi at least ngivuke ekuseni ngifresh ngilale. Kuseni ngivuke ngigeze. Ngibe ready, thatha imoto ke leyo ingithatha ngibeke e-airport. Ngithe mangihlika emotweni. Lalela ngishilo ngathi ibheki ayisindi nomhlolo. Keep ibhegi yami uyangincedisa ke udriver lo bengihamba naye athi yo my sister I wonder kunani la yo we heavy la. Keep ibhegi le ama luggage angibekele phansi. Kusase nebhegi yami impahla zami ngithi ngibeke phansi. Angazi ukuthi phela ama-country ngama-country benza ngendlela yabo ehlukene. Ukuthi la ngaphandle banabantu baba bazigcokele nje casual. You'll never even know, you'll never even think ukuthi hayi lo muntu iphoyisa. Bame ngaphandle bascouta i-movement yethu thina abantu abazongena e-airport abazobuyela ema-countryni wabo, you understand? Hayi ngithe masengihlika ke ngibeka amabhekani sengibheki ukuthi mithwale mingaka kuhambani la. Yabona bathi isikhathi sakho masingakafiki uNkulunkulu makasakunike igrace uzondlula nalaba athi angidlulwa khona besingakafiki isikhathi, kodwa akumelanga sithathe advantage yalokho, kumele sikhuzeke. Ngingene ke airport immediately mangithi ngithole la matroli wakhona, hey ngiyastrugglisha ukufaka qhamuke le ndoda iloku ngibhekile ngithi hi, how are you ma'am, you know, with a smile, wow you look beautiful. Ayise nami ngiyayitshela ukuthi hayi shuthi ichamekile le out, angazi ukuthi iphoyisa elibekiwe ukuthi liscout ukuthi sibehave kanjani. Phoyisa lithi can I help you? What ma'am, what yini kusinda kangaka? What do you have inside? Ngithi I'm a business lady, I've got a boutique, I've got a shop, I'm selling amasudu amadoda. That's really wow. Let me help you. Aguke. Akhali. Well, my calling dot. This is heavy. Tata ibeke trolley. Athi okay, let me help you singene phakathi. Uvalo lukhona lona ne but ngisitshela ukuthini no ugayi uchamekile kubuya lento ukuthi ngithe mangena kwa power down kulokuthiwa Mandela ngithi hayi should this thing kaMandela is still working for me. Singene masingena angiphushise ke so checka in. Masi checka in kanjalo qhamuke linye iphoyisa as we checking in. Yabo mina ngazi ukuthi kanti sekakhulumile nababa phakathi ukuthi khona engathi kuyasola galisa kule luggage yaka sisters. Qhamuka le phoyisa sondele kimi, makasondela kimi athi kimi ma'am how are you now? Friendly. Wow, you look beautiful. Yeah, uyaphi? Ngithi no. I was here for shopping because hey, you guys have got beautiful stuff for men. So now I'm going back to my country. Don't trying to keep the conversation. Kanti hayi bona basemsebenzini. Athi luggage yakho. Do you mind following us? Bengithi ngiyachecka in ngithi sange kusachecke in. Bangiphusha ke netroli yami. Jehova. Ngasho ngathi kanti Lindiwe uyofunda nini naku kungiphindo kwase Brazil futhi. Kanti Lindiwe uyoyeka nini lento? Khuphuke nabo ke yithi laba sikhuphuka se-officeini. Masifika bavula umnyango kunabanye abayi4 phakathi, it's like a boardroom. Mangena, wow, you know bazokushaya nje ba friendly bona abantu base-in. Wow, where you from? Sathi Mandela. You know ngithi hayi man. Shothi akukakabi bad kangaka. Basangibiza ngalento kaMandela. Hayi mhlambe nje bafuna ukungibuza nje imibuzo nyana. babuze bathi kunani phakathi iluggage yakho ma'am ngithi ngiyathengisa my business lady blah 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 I've got my shop bengilana ngizothenga ama-suits because you've got beautiful stuff yabona I'm trying to impress ukuthi India inento ezisharp but okay ma'am do you mind masithatha ibhek siyibeke etafuleni we just want to check nje lama suits wakho ukuthi ayingaki because are too much wona bavule izipho mabavula izipho manje ingqondo yasho ibuya kimi ukuthi Jehova labantu laba bavula because nami I did not get the opportunity bathe mabafika na ibag bangitshela ukuthi amasudu bavula bathi nawo amasudu angithi uyabona so angazi ukuthi kupackage ke kanjani phakathi but because of ngitrust iboss yami ukuthi yonke ipackage yakhe mangizoyilanda uyenze ibe sharp bengirelaxed bavule mabavula bathi baphenye yokuqala baphenye yobusi-2 mangaloku baphenga this other guy ungibheke emehlweni yabo uyabona ukuthi maye sengiba uncomfortable athi kimi ubaphoyisa madam cela ungilandele sengaphandle fika ngaphandle ngibheke emehlweni manje athi don't you want to tell us the honest truth ukuthi kahle kahle uphetheni lapha yazi thema ngibuzwa kanjalo ngathi kodwa lindiwe because nale jele selikumele uzobona wenze njani manje nali jele lase-India lelo libonile ukuthi linzima and masowubuzwa kanje uyavuma ukuthi uphethe idakamisa or uyayiphika lento ngaba nokudideka abuya athi no let's talk what do you have exactly lapha hayi manje ngiyabona ukuthi this is serious uyangibona ngiyashalazela ubaphoyisa ulibonile iqiniso ukuthi hayi kushuthi indaba ikhona lapha khona into wrong athi give no we can talk kuyakhulumiswana ngithi makasho kanjalo engenhliziyo ithi kimi what if mangizothi yes indlela abafuna ukungibamba ngayo vele you understand enye ithi mawuqina nakhona kuyafana uzoba yenza ukuthi bahambe vele bayokhipha yonke into one by one baze bayithole lento bokungamelanga bayithole ngithi mina say yes we can talk athi kimi because we know ukuthi kwenzakalani kuleya bag how much do you have leso sikhathi makangibuza leyo question leyo ngivele ngithi inkosi yami ngithi say can I just check i-wallet yami ukuthi nginamalini because ngigcine nginakho but I'm not sure nangesipela nginikeza isikhathi ngichecke mangithi ngiya-check I think $1,500 if I'm not mistaken ngibuye ngimtshele athi wait for me here I'm coming aye phakathi so ngizo ngendlela engizoyibeka ngayo le ndaba ukuthi ngiyacela abalaleli emakhaya babukele ukuthi asingayifuni lempilo eza fast lempilo eglamorous because mongilandelisa kahle njoba ngiwachaza kahle lama part 1 part 2 vele yami journey it wasn't smooth it is because uNkulunkulu bokhona la ngisakhona afune ngifunde because ubonile ukuthi angilaleli ngistubborn but nakhona uNkulunkulu wazwela ini na abazali bami because I don't want to lie to you mina bokumele ngiboshwe eBrazil and iBrazil nayo it's not easy ijele lakhona but India it's even worse I was not going to be able to cope lapha one thing I know bengizophelela khona lapha kulela jele so engifuna ukusho ukuthi bazali asike siba abantwana bethu sibanaki izinto abazenzayo umntwana makashintsha abe nezinto ayikhonzile izinto let's just be abazali ababonayo ukuthi sokukhona into wrong la eyenzakalayo so ahambe kubaphoyisa makabuya athi no you can come in mangena phakathi bavele bangikhombe bathi you are very very lucky ngibanika imali bathi go ungaphindi uyenze lento oyenzayo so what I would like to say kules part 3 yami yase-India engishare nani namhlanje ukuthi ohlabelela kahle athi kwanqaba umusa mina ngizophakamisa umusa ngiyazi ukuthi ngiphila nje ngiphila ngomusa so bokumele ngabe nje mina into yami yokushushumbisa ama-drugs ngamboshwa ku-day 1 upart 2 lo waseBrazil engamchaza because i-airport ne-airport engihambile ngindlule ngomusa angidlulanga lula So ngizosiza nalabo ababona ngathi ukushushumbisa ama-drugs into nje elula or into nje glamorous. Uyabona, it's not. Singahlala emasofeni masixoxa uhalele the impilo yokuthi uyatravelisha, they buy you ticket, uba muhle. It's not easy. It needs ukuthi ube strong. You understand? And that's fun. Abanye abantu baboshwe ama-airport umuntu athi aqala nje ukutravela aboshwe. It's because of what? Fear. You understand? Because masawubona ukuthi kuyashuba la uvela ubehave ngenye indlela zikushubele. So ngizothanda ukuthi ngiyacela asingakhangeki into yokushushumbisa ama-drugs. It's not a good thing. Konke sifuna imali. I've done it because nami ngithanda izinto ngifuna imali kunezimo engifuna ukuzilungisa, but it's not, because umusa wami nowakho awungeke ufane. Wena uzothi uyizama lento ufuthi uyatravel ufuna ke indala usisilindo wabuye khona uvalelwe. Ufuna ukungasho ukuthi ubuhlungu ubunzima oyobuza kulela jele. Ask me. So ngizothanda nje ukusho ukuthi hayi ngoba ngifuna ukubuka or ngithini, ngiyaxwayisa ukuthi bazali asiba abazali abakwazi ukubheka abantwana bethu kuyo yonke into abantwana bethu abayenzayo, kuzo zonke izinto abazifaka kuzo, all the conversations, the friends that they are having. You should know ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani lapho. You should make sure ukuthi yonke into umntana wakhe movement ayenzayo, because uyokhala soku late. Your story might not be like a story saka sisilindiwe. Maybe wena umntana wakhe uyophelela emazweni, njoba ngishilo ukuthi fear asifani. Uyosala uyophelela emazweni ashonele khona lapha emajele because of what? Umntwana angakhona ukuthi akhophe kulobo mnyama azobe akubo. So ngiyacela ukuthi asineliseke. Asingafuni izinto ezizalula, imali ezalula. Kungabukeka nje ukuthi glamorous, but I'm telling you, awubi nepeace. Upopa uzwile masithi sipopile. So iphatri yami I think ngizoyimisa la. Engizokusho nje ukuthi umusa engubongayo kungekho lula. Nawe uyayibona mase ngiyichaza lento ukuthi hayi nangempela kwanqaba wona umusa empilweni yakhe usisilindiwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyacela ukuthi ningisupporteni, ningilandele. Has ends I'm taking you from part 1 ukuthi ngaqala kanjani, yangisusa kanjani into yokushushumbisa ama-drugs, ngiyihlelele ekhaya, yangithatha ngaphuma ngomnyango kamama nobaba, ngahamba ngayohlangana nabantu engabazi bakwezinye izizwe. Ngaze ngayithola sengitravel umhlaba wonke ngishushumbisa. Ngani na ngoba ngithi ngifuna ukushintsha isimo, ngani na ngoba ngithi ngifuna ukubukwa ngile ntombazane eglamorous. Hambani nami ezingixoxa. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nizosizakala nonke. Ngiyabonga.